How to fix something went wrong error on the Play Store and Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the something went wrong error on the Google Play Store. This problem usually appears when you try to open the Play Store or download an app and it prevents the store from working properly. But don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and check if the error message appears. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is slow or unstable, the Play Store may show this error. You can also turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Fix 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes the issue happens because of temporary system glitches. Simply restart your phone, then open the Play Store again and see if the problem is fixed. Fix 3. Clear Play Store cache. Another effective solution is clearing the Play Store cache. Open Settings on your phone, tap Apps, and find Google Play Store. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the error. Fix 4. Clear Google Play Services cache. The Play Store also depends on Google Play Services. Go back to Apps in Settings, find Google Play Services, tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. After that, restart your phone. Fix 5. Update the Play Store. Sometimes the error happens because the Play Store is outdated. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, and check for updates. Install any available updates and try again. Ending. So that's how you can fix the something went wrong error on the Play Store using these simple methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the